My name is Tanner Dunn with the Climate FieldView Customer Success Team. In this video, I will demonstrate how to manually upload data from your compatible monitor into your FieldView account so you can perform a yield analysis on your farm to make better seed placement decisions for next year. The first step is to get the data from your monitor. Currently, we support data from John Deere, Case IH, and Ag Leader monitors. You can also stream data directly into your FieldView account from your equipment using a FieldView Drive or 2020 SeedSense. To check if your equipment is compatible, please check our support website at support.climate.com. For this video, I will demonstrate this process using our data inbox on my desktop. The first step is to compress or zip the data. For this demo, I will show how to first zip a file on your Mac computer, then on a Windows PC computer. On a Mac, once you insert your USB drive, it will appear on your desktop of the computer. To open it up, you will need to double click on it. Once open, you will need to locate the file that contains your machine field data. Once located, you need to right-click and scroll down to compress. This will begin the zipping process. Depending on the file size, this could take several minutes or a short 30 seconds. Once the zipping process is complete, there will be a second folder on the USB drive with a .zip behind it. This is the file that we will need to upload in the data inbox via climate.com. I will now flip over and show how to zip on a Windows computer. If you are using a Windows computer, you must first insert the USB drive into the side of the computer. Once this is inserted, you need to find the File Explorer tab on your computer, which is either located at the bottom of your screen with a yellow folder, or you can type in the search bar File Explorer. Once you open up the File Explorer, you can then scroll down and locate the USB drive that you inserted into your computer. Left click on it, and this will open up and show you all files in that USB drive. Once you can locate the file that has your data in it, you can right click on it, click on Send To, and go to the compressed zipped folder. At this point, the file will begin to zip. Depending on the file size, this could take up to 30 seconds or even longer for larger files. Once this has been completed, it will create a new folder on your drive that has a zipper on it. The zipper icon folder will be the one that you need to take to data inbox on climate.com to upload into your account. Once you can now see the zipped folder, you can proceed to Google Chrome to log into climate.com. Once we have successfully zipped the folder, we can now go to our Google Chrome browser and visit climate.com to log in. On the top right hand portion, you can click your login and use your FieldView credentials to open up your account. Once we are logged in, you can locate the Import tab on the top left-hand portion of the screen and click on it. Next, we will then click on the Upload File button. This will open up a search for your computer to locate the file that you zipped previously in the first steps. Once you can locate the file, you need to left-click on it and hit Open. This will begin the upload process. Depending on your file size and internet speed, this upload could take 1 to 30 minutes or possibly longer for larger farming operations. Once imported, you will see 5 different tabs at the top. For this case, I have planting and harvest data from my monitor. First, I will import my planting files by clicking on the Planting tab. Here you will see a list of all the different files that came from the monitor. By selecting the Check All box and scrolling down, I can now click Import all 18 files for that field. It is crucial that you have clean and good boundaries before importing data so it gets assigned to the right field geospatially. Once I have all the files selected, I can click Import all 18 files. Once these files have been imported successfully, you will get a notification at the top of your screen that will tell you it has been successful. Next, I will flip over and import my harvest files for the field. Just like in planting, I will go check the Select All box, scroll down, and click Import all 37. Once these files have imported successfully, I am now ready to switch over to the iPad and install the FieldView main app. Now that you have your iPad in front of you, we need to go visit the App Store on the iPad to download the FieldView full app. The App Store is a blue icon with a white A on it. Click on it to open it up, and click on your search bar to start searching Climate FieldView. It should be the first option that comes up. The app that we're looking for is the Climate FieldView app and not the Climate FieldView cap. The Climate FieldView app is the black background with the orange F on it. Once we download it, it'll then say open on the side. Click on open to send you over to the app directly. Click on login, and you can log in with the same credentials you used to log into your desktop where you imported your files. Once you are logging in, your data will take a few minutes to sync. Once it is synced, you can now go look at your yield analysis tab. You can click on View More on the yield analysis box on the bottom left-hand corner to open up your analysis for your farm. Now that you're in here, you can see the total acres harvested, your wet weight, your moisture, dry bushels, and average yield for your entire operation. At the top, you have 3 tabs now you can look at for fields, hybrids, and soils. This is where you're going to start to evaluate how your products performed over the season and start to make more informed decisions for next season. If you have any more questions on how you can use these features, please contact product support at 888-924-7475.